In this video, we will learn how to create a professional agricultural investment website. You don't need to know any programming language to create this website. Our website's homepage design will be just as great as this. We can definitely change this homepage design step by step through the admin panel. We can display various property investment listings here on the home page to attract users to our website. We can also display various investment plans on the website homepage. Users of our website will be able to invest in various investment projects of their choice. We are getting a professional admin panel to manage this website. We can manage all the features and functionalities of the website through the admin panel. As you can see, this admin panel has all the features and functionalities to manage the website. I will definitely discuss with you step by step about the features and functionalities of this admin panel. Also, users can easily log in and register on our website. So let's log into the account as a user now. You can now view the professional dashboard in a user account. We can see all types of investment packages. We can also manage the account very easily using other feature sections. We can see that here there are all kinds of feature sections to manage the account as a user. So now let's learn step by step how to create an agricultural investment website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create agricultural investment website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this, we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this, we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now, we are going to purchase domain hosting in order to publish our agricultural investment website online. Choosing the right domain hosting provider is essential for website performance and reliability. You can purchase high-quality domain hosting from Namecheap at an affordable price. I will include a discount link for Namecheap in the video description, so be sure to check it out. If you buy domain hosting from Namecheap, you'll enjoy several benefits, including excellent customer support and reliable uptime. I have personally been using Namecheap for my own website for over 9 years, and I can confidently say their service is of outstanding quality. You can find all types of hosting servers on this Namecheap website. Now, we will learn how to purchase a shared web hosting server. You can select the hosting server location based on your specific needs, and you should definitely choose an annual plan for better value. Here, you can see 3 excellent hosting packages. You are free to choose any package that suits you. However, my personal recommendation is to go with the Stellar Business Package, the third option. This package includes automatic backups and cloud storage, features that are essential for every website. Additionally, it comes with a free domain. To purchase the third package, click on the Get Started button. You will now be able to choose a new domain name for free. Simply enter your preferred domain name in the provided field. As shown, you can choose from a variety of free domain options. After selecting your domain, we will connect it to our hosting plan. Next, click on the Add to Cart button and proceed to confirm your order. Now, we need to create an account on Namecheap. Enter your accurate account information. Click on the Create Account and Continue button. Then, you will be required to submit your address details step by step. Be sure to enter your correct address before continuing. Click on the Continue button once more. You'll then be prompted to select your payment method. Namecheap supports various international automatic payment options. You can pay via PayPal, international debit or credit cards, or even using cryptocurrencies. Now we will learn how to make payments via banking card. For this, you need to submit the correct card information here. Now we need to confirm the purchase by clicking here. Then we will confirm all our information by clicking here. Now we must click on the Continue button. Next, you need to accept Namecheap's terms and conditions. After that, click the Pay Now button to finalize your order. Congratulations! You have successfully purchased domain and hosting services from Namecheap. Now, let's access the main dashboard of your hosting panel. Go to the Hosting List section. From there, you can easily log into cPanel by clicking the This button. Now we need to change the PHP version. For this, we must follow the source code documentation. We must select PHP 8.2 version. For this, we will go to the PHP Tweaks section. Then we need to select PHP 8.2 version. Loading now, we have to wait a moment. We will now upload the source code. For this, we need to go to the File Manager section. Then we must go to the public HTML folder. Now we will go to our source code folder. Then we need to convert this folder to a zip file. Now we need to upload this folder to the public HTML folder in our cPanel. We have successfully uploaded the source code to our cPanel. Now we need to extract this zip file. Then we need to delete this zip file. Now we will submit all these files to the public HTML folder. Then we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain in the browser. Now we need to add permissions to these folders. So now we will learn step by step how to add permissions to these folders. You must follow this video completely. Now we need to verify the purchase. For this we need to submit the purchase code correctly here. Now we need to submit the database information here. So now we will learn how to create a database in cPanel. For this we need to come to the database section. Then we will go to the database wizard section. Now we need to submit the database name. Then we will move on to the next section. Now we need to enter the database username. Then we need to generate a new password for the database. We will definitely copy this password and add it to our website. Now we will click on the Create User button. We will then submit this database information to our website. First we need to submit the database username. Then we need to submit the database name. Now we need to grant permissions to all the privileges in the database. Then we will click on the Make Changes button. We have already successfully created the database. Now we need to submit the SQL file into this database. For this we will go to the phpMyAdmin section. Then we will select the database we created. Now we will go to the Input section, then submit the SQL file step by step. We have successfully submitted the SQL file. Now we will click on the Proceed button. We have successfully installed the source code and now our website is completely ready. Now you can easily customize the website step by step by logging into the admin panel. So let's log into the admin panel now. We must use the default password from our source code documentation to log into the admin panel. Now we must change the default admin login passwords for website security. Now we need to set up cron job. So now let's learn step by step how to set up cron job very easily. We will now go to the Control Panel section. Because you can change all the important features and functionalities of the website in this control section. In the basic control section, you can change the website name and other information. You can also easily change the website logo and favicon. You must also change the other features of the website according to your needs. You get all the features to manage your agricultural investment website in this admin panel. If you have any problems understanding the features and functionalities of this admin panel, please contact us and we will definitely help you. In this video we learn step by step how to create a professional agricultural investment website. If you have any questions about this video, please comment or contact us directly via WhatsApp and email. If you don't want to miss our next videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel.